Okay people, so today I'll be taking a closer look at the Edifier WH950NB headphones. And from this point forward, I will just be referring to them as the 950s. Okay, so these 950 headphones have been making waves in the audio community. I'm excited to share my thoughts about these headphones with you. In full disclosure, I do have to thank Edifier for sending these over. So thanks Edifier, without you this video would not have been possible. The 950 headphones have a sleek and modern look with a durable build that's built to last. They're also incredibly comfortable to wear thanks to the soft ear pads and adjustable headbands, which I'll get into in a little bit. But of course, the most important thing about headphones is the sound quality. And the 950s do not disappoint. They deliver clear and powerful sound across the entire frequency range with deep bass and crisp highs. And you can also tailor this exactly how you want it inside the app, which I will get into later in this video. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming, these headphones will provide an immersive audio experience. Another great feature of these 950s is the active noise cancellation. With a touch of a button, you can block out background noise and fully focus on your audio. This is especially useful in noisy environments such as public transportation or a busy office. These headphones also come equipped with built-in microphones, which allows you to take calls or record audio with ease. And with the included 3.5mm audio cable, you can even use them as a wired headphone if the battery runs out, which is super dope if I do say so myself.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Before I jump right into these headphones right here, these do go for around $180. You can pick these up on the Edifier website or Amazon. As always, I'll put the links in the description down below. And they do come in two different colors. You have them in this black color and you also have them in a white color. Going around this box on the front side, as you can see, it says Edifier at the top left, high res audio wireless at the top right. It gives you an image of the headphones right here. And as you can see right in the middle, this actually looks like a leather material, which I'll get into a little bit more when we start unboxing. It says fast pair, Bluetooth, 55 hours of battery life. The official name, WH950NB wireless noise canceling over the ear headphones. On the side of the box, it gives you some more battery specs. So it says ANC on, 34 hours of playback time. ANC off, 55 hours of playback time. And 10 minutes will charge these up around 7 hours. And I do believe it will take around an hour and a half to charge up these headphones completely. On the back side, you get some more specs. It says active noise cancellation, ambient sound mode. Those two are no-brainers. You get 4 ENC microphones, and ENC stands for environmental noise cancellation, 40mm composite diaphragm drivers, safe volume, which I will talk about when we get inside the app, and a foldable design. High-res audio wireless, LDAC, and then inside this box you will get headphones, a case, charging cable, the audio cable for your headphones, airplane adapter, and some literature. On the inside, this is how it will look right here. So you do have this nice Edifier case right here. It is not a fully hard case. It is semi-hard, but it's good enough to get the job done for sure. You also have this extra carrying loop right here, so you connect it to a backpack with a carabiner or whatever. Now on the inside, as you open this up, your headphones are right here on the right side, and then you do have an accessory pouch on the left side. Now inside of this accessory pouch, what you would get, you do have your headphone cable right here. It's actually a pretty long, decent sized cable. You have your airplane adapter, silica packet, don't need that. You have some literature, and here is your charging cable. So it's USB type A to USB type C. And here are the headphones, people. As you can see, it is a foldable design. So going around these headphones, as you can see, there is an adjustable headband right here, a click style headband. This headband pad right here, extremely soft, exactly the same type of softness that you'll get on these ear cups right here. Super pillowy soft. I can tell that these are going to definitely be comfortable on my head. You do have your right and left insignia on the inside, so there's your left and here is your right. On the outside of the ear cups, you do have, I believe these are active noise cancellation microphones right here. You have a couple of them on the bottom side as well. On the right ear cup is where you have all of your buttons. So you have your volume up, your volume down. You have your multifunction button in the middle of volume up, volume down. Your multifunction button will play and pause your music, and then that's your phone calls, volume up, volume down. will also double as track forward, track back. You have this mode button right here, which you can switch between ambient mode, transparency mode, which I'll show you more about that inside the app. You have a USB Type-C charging port right here. You have an indicator light. On the left ear cup, this is where you have your 3.5mm headphone jack for the audio cable. So if the battery runs out on here, you can use this with the cable so that you don't have to worry about never going anywhere without having music in your ears. And on the outside, like I said before, you do have like this leather pattern looking thing, but it's not leather, it's definitely plastic, but it does give it that nice touch. And you also have your Edifier logo on both sides of the headband so that there's no mistake what type of headphones these are. Definitely lightweight, very, very comfortable. I could see myself wearing these for an extended period of time. Unlike these right here, the Apple AirPod Max, not a big fan, never reviewed them. Just don't like them, too heavy, whatever. But these right here, hug your head really nicely. Very soft, pillowy ear pads. The band is not very constricting on your head, so it's a nice fit, lightweight. I do like these headphones. So far, so good. There is no mention of an app on the outside of this box right here whatsoever, but they do have an app which is called the Edifier Connect app, which I do have right here. So charge these up completely, connect them to your mobile device via the settings, and then hook these up to the Edifier Connect app. So as you do that, once you do that, here's your splash screen right here. If they're already hooked up, which these already should be, it should automatically just jump right into that. But let me make sure that these are actually on. So power these up real quick. I don't know if you heard that, but it just said power on, and it should automate, and it's connecting. As you can see, the wheels turning at the top right, check mark, it'll automatically open it up. So inside of here, normally there's two things that I'm looking for inside of an app. If you watched my videos before, you already know. The first one is the equalizer. You swipe to the left, here's your equalizer right here. So you have two presets. You have classic and you have dynamic. I normally keep it on dynamic, but if you want to customize it, right here, you click that and then you click it again. And inside here, you can adjust your high, mediums, and lows right here. So you have the gain, you have the Q factor, the frequency down at the bottom. So, I mean, I know what gain is obviously, but here's what is gain, Q factor right here. Go ahead and pause this video if you want to read up on that. And then you also have your frequency down at the bottom, and this is what frequency means. So you're able to customize it right here, and then you can also save these customizations. So if you listen to a podcast or watching a movie, depending on whatever type of content you're consuming, you can save your custom EQ right here and then just switch over to that when you want, if that's something that you like to do. For me, I'm more of a dynamic guy. I keep it on dynamic for everything. That's just how I am. And even though these do have physical buttons on here, you can still customize these. If you go inside of the settings tab at the top right, you go ahead and do control settings. And right here, you have single press, double press, and press and hold. So single press, you do have these options underneath here: high noise canceling, low noise canceling, wind reduction, ambient sound, noise cancellation off. Under double press, you have music mode, game mode, theater mode, and then you have press and hold for voice assistant. So, that's pretty dope that they do offer that right there. So that's pretty much it, what I look for inside the app. Also, if you want a full deep dive inside this app, I will be making a short video on that because it doesn't look like there's much in here. I'll put that YouTube card right here, and I will be dropping that video soon after I drop this video. Go ahead and download that Edifier Connect app if you do have these, or if you have any other Edifier headphones / earbuds and you were looking for an app. Edifier Connect, look it up. You're able to adjust that EQ to get the best sounding highs, mids, and lows out of here as possible. For me, I do like how these sound. I'm more of a dynamic sound type of person, so I do get the crystal clear highs, the nice spread out mids, a decent amount of bass, not overpowering the sound or not a tremendous amount of bass because I'm not really a bass head. So that dynamic sound is exactly what I'm looking for. So sound quality on here, people, it's actually really good, in my opinion. Okay, people, so I just played a match on Call of Duty Mobile. No latency issues whatsoever. Watch content on YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Hulu, Peacock, Apple TV, Plus, Disney Plus. You know, all the usual suspects when it comes to streaming content from the internet. No issues with latency whatsoever as well. And for my final test, as you're hearing my voice right now, this is how the other person on the other end of a phone call will hear you. Like I said, there are ANC mics, ENC mics in these headphones right here, so you should be able to get a crisp and clear call no matter whatever's going on with these headphones on. Okay, people, so in here is sound check with ambient noise on. It's city noise, and it's going to be an extreme test. As you can see, I got my Onyx Studio 6 right here, so I'm going to blast some ambient city noise. Starting off at 50%, turn it up to 100% so you can see how much ambient noise these let in or don't let in. I won't figure it out until I get into post, so feel free to leave a comment down below if it sounds bad or if it sounds good. So here we go. 50% going up to 100. So, and what I've noticed in the past is that when I'm talking, more ambient noise is let in, but when I'm not talking, ambient noise is not let in. So right now, since I'm talking, let me know if there's a bunch of ambient noise coming in, and if this is something that will bother you. So when you're on a phone call walking through a city, ambient noise coming in, they will hear that as well. So, but now I'm going to be quiet so you can see how it sounds when I'm not talking. See how much ambient noise these are actually letting in. Concludes my call test for these Edifier WH950NB headphones. There's a couple of things I did forget to mention about these headphones. So the first thing is that they do not have that feature where you're listening to music and you take the headphones off and the music automatically stops. If that's something that's a deal breaker for you, you're looking for that, you will not find that in here. But on plus side, these do have dual connectivity capabilities in here, so you can hook it up to a tablet, you can hook it up to your phone at the same time, watch a movie on your tablet or do something on your tablet, and once your phone rings, it'll switch over to your phone so that you can talk on your phone, and once your phone cuts off, it'll switch automatically over back to your tablet so that you can multitask, if you will. I did mention that I'll talk about this earlier in the video about the safe volume. So inside the app, if you click the settings tab at the top right, you see safe volume right here. You hit confirm and you go back to the home page. You see that the safe volume light lights up right there. So you can tell that safe volume is on. And when safe volume is on, these headphones won't produce sound louder than 85 decibels. So if that's something that you would like to have, I don't know, maybe because your kid blasts their music in their headphones way too loud and you keep telling them to turn it down, but they never turn it down and it just pisses you off and you end up grounding them and you take their headphones away so they can never do it. But when you unground them, then you get the headphones back and they still keep doing it and doing it and doing it. Now I have a solution for you right here. Safe volume option inside these headphones. No, that wasn't about me whatsoever. All right, people, so my final thoughts on these Edifier WH950NB headphones. First, the name is whack. No, just playing. The name does need some work though. Just leave it at 950 or something, whatever. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. I believe these Edifier headphones might be an excellent choice for anyone who is looking for high quality audio and advanced features at a decent price point. They offer a great balance of sound, design, and functionality, making them a great option for anyone. So if you're in the market for a new pair of headphones, you might want to check out these Edifier WH950 950s. And that's all I got for you, people. That is my unboxing and first impressions review on these Edifier WH950NB headphones. As always, if you found any value in this video whatsoever, or you just like what you see and you want to support me in my YouTube journey, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. As always, my name is Nicholas. Thanks for stopping by the Tech Lab channel, and I'm out. Peace.